When the topic of sustainability arose, my mind immediately drifted to the Borneo orangutans, whose homes are decimated in the process of deforestation to produce palm oil. I therefore chose to investigate the effects of deforestation on the biodiversity of Borneo. In conducting research for this topic, I utilised the Google and Google Scholar search engines, as well as the Curtin Library database. As this was a highly emotive topic, resources that contain data, statistics, or reference studies were used as primary sources of information to ensure validity and eliminate any emotional bias. It was surprisingly challenging to find statistical information on the endangered flora and fauna species of Borneo, as there was too little research available on animal population numbers and the specific plant types. Particularly helpful, though, was the array of information that covered the issues from a variety of standpoints, creating a well-rounded understanding of the issues in this topic. To begin, I discovered that Borneo, the third largest island in the world, whose ownership is divided between three countries, Malaysia, Brunei and Indonesia, has a richly biodiverse ecosystem and takes out the #1 spot for the highest level of deforestation on the planet. This is caused in large part by the lucrative palm oil plantations that have invaded the island, threatening the existence of this biodiversity. Beginning on an intensive scale in the 1980s, the development of these palm oil plantations has been caused by both private large-scale and smallholder plantation models and the Indonesian government, who use these plantations for biofuel. With such extensive logging and development of palm oil and pulp plantations, one can only expect that there will be widespread long-term effects on the island's biodiversity. The most commonly discussed impact is that upon the Bornean orangutan, whose population rate fell by 60% between 1950 and 2010. These creatures are expected to become extinct within a decade unless significant interventions are imposed to prevent the continued loss of habitat that threatens them. Recent research has shown that, due to habitat destruction, around 100,000 orangutans have disappeared from Borneo in a 16-year period. Even the smallest inhabitants are unable to survive when their habitats are lost. The population of ground-dwelling ants has been dramatically reduced through the process of deforestation and the introduction of palm oil plantations. Equally important is the reduction of density in the flora species of Borneo. During the island's peak rate of deforestation during the 1990s, seed production fell from 175 pounds per acre in 1991 to 16.5 pounds per acre in 1998. This decrease has reduced the density of trees on the island, permanently affecting the seed production cycle. It is